My name is Emma Stapley, and I am working on writing a novella about the First World War and an author creating a fantasy world in the trenches. So much of modern society in general, but especially literature, which is something I'm very much interested, was very much impacted by the fact that so many men and such a large section of the population had gone through this really horrific experience, and now all of a sudden needed a language to describe something that society had really never needed to describe on that scale before. And so it produced such a change in literature that I really wanted to go back and look at what that meant. I was in a class, my honors class actually, on World War I, and I just thought it was very interesting just what the men overcame by surviving the trenches. Tolkien had actually created Middle-earth in part as a reaction to the trenches, and I'm a huge fantasy geek, so I thought that was really fascinating that the genre I love so much came from this war, and I kind of wanted to explore the beginnings of that genre. My main character is an unnamed second lieutenant. He's British, he's from an upper-class family, and he's been commissioned about halfway through the war to join this regiment that's already been fighting for quite some time, and so it's sort of about him trying to fit in with that and realizing that his ideal doesn't actually exist. He's been raised basically on the Iliad and the Odyssey and these stories of these grand epic heroes, and he kind of assumes that because he's from the aristocracy he's going to be able to achieve that, and he fails somewhat miserably in that attempt. My faculty mentor is Dr. Mary Collar, and it's been really cool working with her. We've been discussing the literature that I've been reading in preparation quite a lot, what war literature looks like, how it works, a modern author going back and writing about the First World War, how she did that, how that worked, a work that was written that's very much fantasy but was before Tolkien, how that looked. We focus so much on so many authors who did come out of the war, Tolkien, Hemingway, all these incredibly influential authors, and it had never really occurred to me how many could have been lost, also that we'd never known about, and that could have been truly great.